The 2025 Ford Puma is a compact crossover that excels in many ways. Equipped with advanced technology such as a 12-inch touchscreen and a 12.8-inch digital driver display, the interior of the car provides a modern and comfortable driving experience. Although some parts of the cabin are made of hard plastic, the Ford Puma still offers practical space, including a megawatt storage compartment with a drain plug. Under the hood, the Ford Puma still uses a 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine in 2 power options. The SD PowerShift variant offers 168 horsepower with a smooth 7-speed automatic transmission. The model also comes in 4 trim levels that include a variety of features and options, from titanium to the sporty SD trim. With a starting price of around £25,800, the 2025 Ford Puma offers an attractive combination of practicality, modern technology, and enjoyable driving dynamics. Although the high performance of the previous version is no longer available, the 2025 Ford Puma proves itself to be a solid and worthy choice as a successor to the beloved Ford Fiesta.